What's going on, Outlaw Garage family? Today, man, we're gonna try and see why the truck stalls so much. That's the only thing keeping me from really driving it. After I get that, I'll go ahead and get the windshield put in. Then we're gonna start doing a whole bunch of other fun stuff. If you haven't checked out the last video, I'm pretty sure the last video will be me spraying this bed truck. As you can see, I stepped in and out. Some of these little pollen shits got stuck in the paint, so I'm gonna have to probably sand it down and get the shit out of it. But well, anyway, let me show you guys what it's doing. I'm gonna try to leave in all the good stuff and not edit out the bad and all this other good stuff, how long it take it to start and all this junk. So I'm gonna let it prime up that one time, then I'm gonna let it do it again, so it should start for sure. Okay. Nothing. One more time. Nothing. Let's try again. Nothing. So now I'm gonna go ahead and give it a couple pumps of gas. Nothing. So I'm gonna try and let this fuel pump prime one more time. And I'm gonna try not to edit this video as much as I can so you guys see everything from the start of me doing this to all of it. I'm showing you how long it's taking the truck to start. And that's normally how long it takes it to start. It has a really bad idle. I don't know if I'm yelling in you guys' ear, but the truck is really loud on this side, so I'm not sure if I'm yelling too loud or not. After a while, after the truck sits there and idle, it dies out. And I'm not sure why. I guess we're gonna try and find out today. I'm gonna unplug the sensors. I'm gonna plug them back up. If it does the same thing, we know it's that sensor fucking it up. And it could be this. There you go. It just died. So I ain't gotta yell right now. It could be this little ass. Oh shit, you can't see it. Oh, there it is right there. This little ass fuel filter could be keeping it from getting enough gas, and it look dirty as fuck, and it's supposed to be brand new. So we're gonna replace that filter too. Probably not today because I gotta go work in an hour. But the first one I'm gonna unplug is the idle air. Theoretically, it should start right back up. Let's find out. Okay. First thing we're gonna change out, man, is this idle air control valve. But it won't be today. And this is not the end of this video. I'm gonna continue this video on until I actually get this situation out the way. I mean, It might be some videos that come past this video to like actually get to it. But yeah, we're gonna change it out since we unplugged it, still ran the same, plugged it back up, still ran the same, which means it wasn't using the sensor at all. So either something's in the wiring's messed up or it's that sensor messed up. So we're gonna try those two sensors that I unplugged and it ran the same first. And hopefully that's what it is. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, just got back from AutoZone. I went with the Vivecraft air control valve. Yeah, it's about 2 days later. I just started putting it in. This is the easiest install you can ever do. Only thing you have to do is just screw it into the one you pulled out, and it's just unscrew. Use a pair of pliers to unscrew it. And I realized on the last video, last frame that I updated, that I said that if I unplug it, there was something wrong if it kept running, and I realized how wrong I was. But what I did find wrong was, this is the old one. This little spring is supposed to be in. Before I redid this, I pulled it out and it was all the way fully extended. So I went ahead and let the truck warm up, and it was still fully extended. And this is the new one. This is how it comes cold. There's a test you can do, which is put it in while the truck's cold, and this should extend all the way out from the beginning. So I'm gonna get this in, I'm gonna tighten it in, and I'll be right back. So I got it in. I'm gonna let it run for a while. See how long it runs for. It ran for a good 30 seconds maybe. So let's start it back up. No starty. So just in case the fuel gauge don't work, I went out and got some new gas also. So let's put this gas in, get some starter fluid in there so it can start right up, and we're gonna see what it do. My Christmas tree. Gasolina. And check more GMC. Oh, sorry guys. You guys want to see that? Okay, got all the gas in there, so I'm gonna open this throttle up. I don't know if the angle is right, and I don't know what y'all looking at, but I almost sprayed my damn self. Spray 2 little dabs in, and I know it's gonna start right up. Put the key on, let the pump prime, and let's hit it. So this is the longest I ever really seen it sit up and idle like that. So I'm thinking this gas that was in here was bad, and that idle air kind of helped it out too also. Yeah, that's a big help to that. But maybe this gas is just real bad. So I'm gonna let it run. I'm gonna go get some more fresh gas, pour it in. I'm not sure, it might have a lot of gas in there. The tank is slightly still hanging, thanks to somebody behind the camera We're not gonna point no finger. Hey, we're not pointing fingers. Anyway, yeah. So maybe that fixed the problem. Maybe it didn't. I'm gonna do some more testing on and off camera, really, pretty much. I still gotta get this radiator cleaned out. The stuff is still in here. I think I showed you guys in another video where I was giving it some love, but the stuff is still in here. It actually cleaned it a little bit better since it ran. It was running a little bit. So I'm gonna wait for it to actually get warm and have a better idle. But other than that, man, I think we might be ready to go ahead and replace the windshield and start driving this truck. I mean, I'm not replacing it on my own, but yeah, I think it might be time, guys. Punisher lives, baby. Punisher lives. Oh, by the way, if you haven't, please do. Please go ahead and like and subscribe for me. You'll be seeing bills. I'm not sure what else I'm gonna be doing to the Jaguar. It's pretty much done. I don't want to do nothing too wild. Only thing else I might do is paint the wheels, paint the faces of them white. Julia Pope Painter Part 3. And I might be doing a color test fit on the bed, not the bed, the tailgate of the truck, just to see if this is the color I want. It's gonna be the bottom half black and this top half mystery color. I'll tell you guys about it later. But I'm prime the truck down pretty soon, the whole truck, and just let it be primed down while it's sitting right here, because I'm not, that white just sit there and it's just ugly. I'm gonna pull it up and I'm gonna wash it real good. That's after I get the windshield, of course. But go ahead, like, subscribe, stay tuned for more Punisher videos, more Jaguar videos. When I get the Camaro back, more 3rd gen videos. I got a lot of content for you guys, and we might even paint the Jag. I mean, I like it white, but when somebody else had it, they had it white, so we'll discuss that later. You guys take care.